Hi everyone. This is fifth part of Data Analytics with Pandas series. I have covered the introduction of Pandas, all data structures and basic and advanced functionalities with statics operations which apply on data analytics. If you did not watch the previous lessons, follow the link that I mentioned in the description. In this session, we are going to learn about reindexing operations on Dataframe. So, let us start learning, what is reindexing? Reindexing changes the row labels and column labels of a data frame. To reindex means to conform the data to match a given set of labels along a particular axis. Let's see the operations of reindexing. Multiple operations can be accomplished through indexing like: first, reorder the existing data to match a new set of labels. Second, insert missing value, null, markers and label locations where no data for the label existed. Let's see this practically. Example. Import Pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP. Let's create a data frame. df equals pd.dataframe of n equals 20 assigned n as a variable and initialized with integer value 20 equals 2016, 01, 01, periods equals n, frac equals d. X, and p dot length space of 0, stop equals n1, num equals n. Y, np dot random dot random n. C, and p.random.choice of list of low, medium, high, and tallest. D, and p.random.normal of 100, 10, size equals of n tallest. Let's perform the reindexing operation on this data frame. df_reindex equals df.reindex of index, 0, 2, 5, columns, A, C, B. Let's print the data frame and check the result. Let's move and perform reindex to align with other objects. You can take an object and reindex its axes to be labeled the same as another object. Let's see. df1 equals pd.dataframe of np.random.random of 10, 3, columns equals col1, col2. df2 equals pd.dataframe of np.random.random of 7, 3, columns equals col1, col2, col3. Let's perform reindexing. df1 equals df1.reindex underscore like of df2. The df1 data frame is altered and reindexed like df2. The column names should be matched or else nan will be added for the entire column label. Column label, filling null values while reindexing. Reindex takes an optional parameter method which is a filling method with values. Pad or fill values forward. Bfill or backfill, fill values backward. Nearest, fill from the nearest index value. Now, fill the nulls with preceding values. Print df2.reindex underscore like of df1, method equals fill. Print df2. The four last rows are padded. Let us check how to limits on filling while reindexing. The limit argument provides additional control over filling while reindexing. Limit specifies the maximum count of consecutive matches. Let us understand by the example. Print df2.reindex underscore like of df1, method equals fill, limit equals 1. Only the 7th row is filled by the preceding 6th row. Then, the rows are left as they are. Let's move forward and check the renaming in Pandas. The rename method allows you to relabel an axis based on some mapping or addict or series or an arbitrary function. Let us understand. Print df1.rename of columns equals dict of col1, c1, col2, c2, index equals dict of 0, apple, 1, banana, 2, durian. The rename method provides an in-place name parameter, which by default is false and copies the underlying data. Pass in place equals true to rename the data in place. In this video we have seen the reindexing operation on Dataframe. We will learn iteration operation in the next video. Stay tuned and keep practicing.